there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is a great treat for your dog. These are the Dogsee Himalayan treats, and they are very, very hard. So I have an American Bulldog. She is a power chewer, and she gets through anything I give her in a matter of seconds. And I was searching and searching to find a product that she could not get through super fast, and these ones are very hard. So she can chew on this all day, hours on end, and she can barely get off a little bit. She absolutely loves it. It has a very smoky scent to it. It doesn't stink like some other really hard dog treats or dog bones. It doesn't make a big mess. That's also why I love this Himalayan cheese, and it's good for her. So I don't have to worry about it causing digestive problems, blockages, things like that. Overall, this is a fantastic product to buy for your dog if they're a power chewer or if they just like to chew in general. This is wonderful. It comes in a pack of 4, and so it'll last you a really long time. It's at a great price, and I would highly recommend, but that's just my point of view.